morning, everyone. We are headed to the gym. I have a good pull workout today. I'm not going to take you guys in with me. Unfortunately, the gym that I go to right now, I'm not going to say which one it is, but they don't really like cameras in there. So I'm not going to really be doing that. I am in the process of looking for another gym that is kind of like, vlogging and camera friendly. So we'll see how that goes, and I'll keep you updated, and then maybe soon I'll be able to take you guys with me. So anyways, got a special video for you. I think we're going to be making something real good. I got a shipment coming, so stay tuned. I'll see you after the workout. All right, well, just got done with my workout. Going back home. Like I said, there should be a package. I think I got a notification that it was delivered this morning while we were at the gym, and I'm really excited about it because this is something that we need for today's recipe. So, all right, we'll see you at home. Alright, so here's my shipment. I got my bodybuilding.com signature whey protein. I always order this one. Now, this one right here, casein protein. This is a very slow digesting protein. And the reason why I did get this is because I need this for the protein cookies that we're going to be making. And the reason why we're going to be using casein instead of whey protein is the casein protein tends to not dry out the cookie as much, so you have a little bit of a moister cookie. Alright guys, so this is all you're going to need to make these protein cookies, okay? Your protein source is going to be the whey casein protein. Use vanilla or unflavored. That way it doesn't affect the flavor of the actual cookie too much, as if you were to use something else, strawberry, chocolate, or all those other birthday cake flavors. The brown sugar substitute, right here I have Truvia, okay? The good thing about this is it's 0 calories. Then we have our natural no-stir creamy peanut butter. You want to use the creamy peanut butter, stay away from the crunchy. You're gonna have a hard time keeping your cookies staying together if you're using a crunchy peanut butter. So the recipe does suggest this. And then if you want, like the picture shows on the front, the thumbnail, we had chocolate chips. Now it does say just add chocolate chips. Now I decided to go a little bit extra, and I got these things called skinny dipped baking bits, and they're dark chocolate and sea salt. It's basically 67% less sugar than a regular chocolate chip. So this should be really good. Calories is basically 70 calories per serving size. So, and really the serving size is, the amount is gonna actually get cut in half per cookie. So it's only gonna add 35 calories. So this is gonna be really good. And then of course, all you're gonna need is 1 egg. That's what the recipe calls for. All right, so by the way, this recipe is not mine. I found this online at thebigmansworld.com. They have some pretty good stuff on there, and I'm really excited to try this out. So let's get going. All right, let's get going with this. I'm super excited about this only because if you're like me, I love sweets. I love them, and you know what? Those things always derail my fitness journey, so that's why I'm excited to get going like this. I do like to treat my body as a temple, and not one of those temples in Thailand where the monkeys run all over the place and crap all over you. Okay, not like that one. 1 cup of peanut butter. Man, that is a lot of peanut butter. I just realized that. That is a whole lot of peanut butter. Okay, so let's try this out. I need to wash my hands after that one. 2 2/3 of a cup of the brown sugar substitute. They're good. 1 large egg. I don't even know if these are large eggs. They say they are. They look a little smaller to me. I was kind of wondering about this too, if this was going to be enough. And then we have the casein vanilla protein powder. 1/2 cup. Okay. I thought we were going to need more than that. Chocolate chips, or in this case, skinny dipped bacon bits. We're just gonna do a 1/4 cup. How these smells like dark chocolate, so I guess that's good. Okay, I guess I'm just getting in there with my hand and doing this. Okay. Well, it seems to be that this is mixed up really well into a nice thick dough. Let me go ahead and wash my hands and then we'll move on to the next part. Now, you're gonna need a baking sheet. It does say to use parchment paper. I don't have any and I didn't feel like running to the store to get some. I'm using regular aluminum foil. Hopefully that does the trick. I am gonna spray a little bit of non-stick cooking spray. Let me grab that. Okay, so you should be able to get 12 cookies out of this. So you're gonna basically break this up and roll them up into 12 balls and then place them on the cookie sheet. Okay, so now we're gonna place these in a preheated oven at 350 degrees and it's supposed to bake anywhere between 10 to 12 minutes. So it shouldn't be that long. We'll see. It says until the edges look nice and crisp. And the timer is set. So we will check back here in 10 minutes. Hey guys, real quick. If you like the video so far, go ahead and give it a like and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Now, let's get back to the cookies. All right, let's go ahead and take these out of the oven. They seem about done. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Those look good. They smell terrific. Okay, this is giving me some childhood fat kid emotions right now, so. Okay, so we have to let those cool off completely. They are really hot right now. I'm assuming that it's got to cool off for about 15 minutes or so. So we'll check back then. I have my wife here. She's gonna give me her honest opinion. Pick one. Here, this one has good chocolate chips in it.
Yummy. That's pretty good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't taste like a diet anything, right?
Mm-mm. If you didn't tell me this is like protein cookie, I wouldn't. Yes, it is.
So, the best part about this is I'm going to put the nutrition facts on the screen right now, but this one actually has 150 calories, 5 carbohydrates, 21 grams of protein, and it's only got 3 grams of sugar, whereas like if you were to have a regular Chips Ahoy cookie, it would have 160 calories, 22 carbs, only 1 gram of protein, and 11 grams of sugar. So the difference is actually pretty big. This is basically the same as like actually a little bit healthier than a protein bar.
Yeah. I'll give it a thumbs up.
All right, well, there you have it. I want to thank you guys for joining me. I honestly can tell you that that was a very good cookie. I would much rather have that than any type of protein bar out there when you have to deal with the weird diet flavors, weird textures, the dryness, the fact that you have to drink a whole bottle of water just to be able to eat just part of a protein bar. So I'm telling you, this is a really good alternative. You guys should try it. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this, if you're going to try it or if you already have, and how it tasted. Let me know. And also, if there's anything else that you want me to try out, just let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to get that done. All right, we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye. What do you have?
Some bread and cookies.
Because I had to make sure that everyone knows all the crap that you bring home.
2 loaves of bread from California. I have the cookies. And I have sour bread, senorita bread. They're really good.
Really? Really?
Oh, the bread?
Do you see this? Hey you, I got 2 more videos for you to check out. Come on, do something. Pick one of them. You know you want to. It's good for you. Give it a try.